In this video, I'm going to talk about keyboard shortcuts. They're also called keyboard accelerators, and that is basically a sequence of keyboard strokes that enable you to execute a command. So for example, right now to add a room, you just select Control R, to print Control P. Now let's add one for backup database, which is something that people do quite often. The way to assign a shortcut key to the backup database command, first of all, you're going to select View Customize. This is a new feature in HomeManage 2020. It's not you won't see this if you have 2019 or later or earlier. So I'm going to select View Customize, and we've got ways to change the keyboard shortcuts, menu, toolbars, things like that. I'm going to select Keyboard, and so right here it tells you what accelerator is currently assigned to each command. And as I showed you previously, that room is Control R. Now let's say I want to add a keyboard accelerator for the backup database command. What I do is select backup database, and here it's going to ask me to actually press the shortcut key that I want to enable the backup command. So let's say I want it to be Control F12. I clicked on Control F12. It's available. As you can see, it's currently unassigned, so I'm going to click on Assign, Close. Now when I go up here, you'll see Control F12 is assigned to the backup database command. That's one of the new features. This is one of the new features in HomeManage 2020. Thank you for watching. Take care and goodbye.